Digital marketing is not a trend anymore. It's become a real arena to build your career or business. Every day, more and more people are shifting to the digital world to promote their products and services, along with personal interactions with customers across the globe. To be smart and level up your skills and accelerate your business or professional growth, learn the best marketing strategies. Take advantage of online courses that will sharpen your skills and knowledge about digital marketing. Today, let's check out the list for best marketing courses that will help you boost your social media presence and your profits quickly. Join us now as we present the 5 best digital marketing courses. At number 1 is the Complete Digital Marketing Course for those who want to master digital marketing. Its creators Rob Percival, Darrell Walsh, and CodeStar by Rob Percival aim to help those who want to grow their business online, become an affiliate marketer, or work from home as a freelance marketer and get that high-paying job. This is a 12-in-1 course that delves into the master digital marketing and teaches strategy, analytics, SEO, social media marketing, email, Facebook, YouTube, and a lot more. It's Udemy's best-selling digital marketing course that offers comprehensive 20-hour training, practical steps, and quizzes for anyone who wants to make it big in the virtual marketplace. Once you sign up, you'll have full lifetime access. There are 37.5 hours of video material, 29 articles, access on TV and mobile, 3 downloadable resources, and Udemy Certificate of Completion. No experience necessary when you register, just your enthusiastic interest to become adept in digital marketing. Join the more than 200,000 learners across the globe and fast-track your knowledge about digital marketing. Expert instructors will help you through each step, helping you accelerate your status from a beginner to an advanced learner. At the end of this course, you're well equipped with the skills to set up a website, define your audience, drive traffic using marketing channels, build a mailing list, increase your followers, track success with Google Analytics, and a bunch of other helpful strategies. And if you feel the course is not for you, there is a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. At number 2 is the Ultimate Google Ads AdWords course. This is Udemy's top-rated course in AdWords, with well over 100,000 enrolled students, entrepreneurs, business owners, and marketing specialists. Created by Isaac Radansky, this course has helped a lot of marketers and entrepreneurs around the world boost their sales with Google AdWords and beat their competitors. This marketing course also boasts of having the highest student satisfaction rating in the entire advertising and marketing department of Udemy. Included with every purchase are lifetime access, 23.5 hours of on-demand videos, 4 articles, access for mobile and TV, and AdWords certification of completion. In no time at all, you'll learn how to create, develop, and maximize your AdWords campaigns, drive consistent traffic to your website, increase sales, advertise your brand effectively, monetize the searches on Google, and a lot of other exciting strategies. No experience is required for this AdWords course. You just need a laptop, smartphone, or tablet with an internet connection. It's best if you have a landing page like a website or a Facebook page to send traffic while learning the topics. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Are you interested in one of our first 2 products? Let us know by leaving a comment. If you're already familiar with them, please share your experience. There are 3 more products on our list, so hold tight. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, and we'll notify you of the freshest video that we upload. Now back to our list. At number 3 is the Facebook Ads and Marketing Mastery 2019. It's just for you if you want to shine as a Facebook ad expert. It's created by Course Envy for the purpose of helping anyone who wants to master Facebook advertising and marketing strategies. This course has already taught more than 150,000 plus people, transforming them into Facebook ad experts. There are over 500 companies who are able to accelerate conversions via their Facebook ads. It includes 14 hours of on-demand video, 9 downloadable resources, 23 articles, access on mobile and TV, full lifetime access, and a certificate of course completion. A 30-day money-back guarantee is also part of the offer. Wait no more and join the growing number of students who are becoming experts in making a mass post to different social media platforms, connect with audiences, master sales funnel, master Facebook Ads Manager, implement the Facebook Pixel, and more. To enroll in this highly popular course, you need to have a personal account or profile on Facebook. Once you register, you get lifetime access to lectures, ask the creator about anything related to the course, and original, detailed, tested lessons. Level up on your knowledge and skills by learning from the experts. It's the best learning investment for online marketers, marketing reps, bloggers, advertising managers, small business owners, or anyone who's looking to optimize their Facebook marketing strategies and make their brand high in demand. At number 4 is the Instagram Marketing 2009, a step-by-step to 10,000 followers. It's a course that's your best passport to success that will also boost your Instagram followers and convert them into paying customers. Instagram is an excellent social media platform to promote your brand or become a successful digital marketer. Learn to maximize your exposure or promote your products and services effectively with simple strategies that will significantly spike up your business revenue. You'll learn to create professional, powerful, and attractive Instagram profiles, connect with your targeted audience, utilize the new Instagram features, build a strong relationship with your followers, and utilize the follower funnel to convert them into long-term and loyal paying customers. Over 50,000 students are enjoying the amazing results of their learnings. This course is perfect for personal users and businesses with less than 10,000 followers on Instagram, or still figuring out how to use the available marketing tools and features. By the end of the course, you'll know all the secret strategies of Instagram superstars, and you'll rock the statistics of your own account. This has been created by Benjamin and Annalise Wilson and contains 5.5 hours of on-demand video, 19 downloadable resources, 2 articles, access on mobile and TV, full lifetime access, and a certificate of completion. It's also backed up with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Well, there are 2 more amazing digital marketing courses to help you become more successful in your business or career. Maybe now you're already thinking about which one you'd like to take, but before you decide, we still have one more course you might find interesting. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to watch more of our reviews, as well as to click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever we post new videos. Now let's check out our final product. At number 5 is SQL for Noobs, Data Analysis for Beginners. Enhance your CV or resume with additional skills and become more confident during that interview when you're learning about real-world SQL. It's a creation of an A course you'll actually finish by Peter Sefton and David Kim to help job seekers, aspiring data analysts, marketers, new college grads, startup entrepreneurs, and other non-technical individuals to learn how SQL boosts marketing efforts. Learn from a marketing data scientist and product manager who uncover unique insights about SQL usage, turning them into a powerful pack of lessons that are helping a lot of students and new grads land jobs. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This amazing course includes 3 hours of on-demand video, 3 downloadable resources, 6 articles, full-time access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. It will certainly beef up your skills in data analysis, helping you to analyze user behavior, make data-driven decisions, measure and track marketing methods, discover business or customer insights, as well as identifying effective marketing stats. Don't be afraid if you're just a beginner without solid technical background, because this course will equip you with real data analysis skills. It's been taken by a lot of marketing people from Facebook, Lyft, Udemy, Amazon, and Google. Be one of them. Are you all set to join the masters of digital marketing? Pick your first choice and unlock the best marketing strategies that expert creators and instructors want you to learn. Knowing the best practices and strategies will definitely enhance your skills and your resume if you're job hunting. With online education and certification, you'll be confident to run your business or do your job. If you're ready to purchase at this very moment, click the dedicated link to the product you want and get it at a great price. If there's other products you'd like us to review, write it in the comment box and we'll feature your request in our next video. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to receive notifications from us or for more product reviews. Join our community by clicking the subscribe button. That's all for our 5 best digital marketing courses. Thank you for being with us at the ReviewTube channel.